everybody, today what we're going to be doing is riding in the back of a truck, and I'm going to have it on camera because I thought it would be cool. We're not riding that far, but we're going right now. We're just going to my old house right now. And
We're almost there.
It's amazing. Look at the landscape around the house. There's my mom in that car over there. My sister right there.
And Gabby is right here.
It's amazing.
Hi, Mom.
So, I don't know if you can hear me, but we're going really fast.
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh. There's a playground in the park.
What the heck?
They're doing stuff over there. Okay. We're almost there.
We're almost
Anyway, this
home.
is all amazing. Oh. So I'm just showing you kind of what it feels like to be riding in a truck, in the back of it especially, and how you get to my new house or how you get to my houses. There's a sign, park sign, another park sign. So it's pretty cool. Oh, dang, that looks weird on camera. I'm using my phone. Sorry if you're not able to see the whole
Hey, guys, it's
because
Avon.
and my sister's making a video about this. Yeah, my sister is making a video too, so it's kind of okay. And that school bus right there, someone is actually moving into. Like, I can't believe it. And there's someone. Actually, I know her. She's my neighbor.
Okay.
Well, used to be my neighbor pretty much. Okay, well, we're back. So, hope you enjoyed the quick clip of the car or the truck ride. So, put a like on the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.